we are literally gonna be talking about wand collection. I swear, this is what I want for Christmas. All I want for Christmas is a wand collection. Even if you just give me like one wand or a stick that looks like a wand, I would be so happy. So if you can please donate one, please, even if you could like by the way, I live in Bamboo, so if you could donate a wand or give me a stick that looks like a wand, please. I want my wand collection.
That actually
like
worked.
that.
Okay. I just got a Harry Potter Magic Caster wand made by Warner Brothers, and this is supposed to be the closest thing to a real magic wand. Ooh, the case looks nice. That is really cool. And it lights up. Look at how bright that is. That looks so cool. Oh my god. The wand just vibrated, and the tip of it is glowing blue, okay? That actually worked, okay. Lumos Maxima. That's Lumos. Lumos Maxima.
Panahon ng pandemya ng
That's
2020 na mag-transition siya sa online live selling. Pero kinilala ni Abby.
Okay, I think I got it that time. I obviously have a lot more to learn. Let me know if you want to see more.
Siya sa paggapang sa pag-aaral ng iba. Malaking tulong ang dati ng logo.
You can be like one of my best friend. Okay, I already have a best friend, but you can be my second best friend, or I could also put you on the number one best friend, but still that best friend is still my best friend, so you both are my number one. If you can, okay.
Hindi obligasyon ng mga kuya at ate ang ginawa.
For you to be in my third best friend, no besties. There can only be one bestie. And yeah, only one bestie. I have no bestie. Yeah, because my bestie left me. Okay, I'll give you proof. Okay, see? Yeah. Because I actually sent the message. Okay, don't mind the feet stack. But wait, why did I?
Pero nag-iwan ito na mahigit siyam na bilyong pisong halaga ng pinsala sa agrikultura.
Also, by the way, like, I'm sorry because I forgot. I deleted all of it. Yeah, all of the proof. But hey, look. Look. I already said sorry. See? Yeah, sorry. Yeah, sorry. That's also one of the proof. Okay, let's just get to it. The one thing. Oh wait. Oh yeah. For the 3-1, if you're gonna be my third best friend, give me a wand that a stick that looks just like a wand. Second, is to teach me how to buy on Temu. I know I'm shopping in Temu, but I want to give it a try, which there's a lot of good stuff in Temu. I mean, like, yeah, there's a lot of good stuff in Temu. I mean, I never tried it. If you guys think it's a bad app or it's bad quality, you can tell me. Okay, but like, you teach me how to buy on Temu because I have no idea how to shop.
We want less
Yeah,
damage. We want less.
I only know how to add in cart.
But again,
Yeah.
as I said, because of
Honestly,
mitigation efforts and
I bought
intervention,
I added like so many things to my cart that I don't even know how to buy it, since
Pero may dapat paganda.
honestly
Dahil
this is
pagsapit
for my
ng gusto
mom.
ng
I'm
disiplina
honestly
tatlong
only gonna
taon,
buy
saka inaasahan
one
ang
item.
tira ng
It's
La
the
Liga
Harry
na magdadala
Potter
ng higit sa
wand.
karaniwang dami ng ulan.
Wait, no, it's the yeah. So it's that one wand. I promise, only one wand, please. Yeah, and then the second one is to buy me that wand. You better that because like I heard of a wand that
Ito mismo ang
that
pinaghahandaan ng Task
um
Force El Niño
it will do
na
the
magiging Task
spells
Force La Niña na
if you can
kapag
do it
tuluyan
correctly.
umiral
But
ang
what
weather
if you
phenomena.
say
mas pinangangabahan,
abracadabra?
particularly ng Department of
What will
Agriculture
happen?
ang La Niña kasi
Abracadabra.
kapag,
Wait, will it
malakas
work,
na
or
ulan
is it just
at,
not gonna
baka
work
nasa
since you
ating
can
mga
kill somebody,
agricultural
which is gonna be
medyo mahirap
Lighting a candle with my wine.
pinsalang dulot ng pagbabaha.
So kailangan ayusin pa rin natin yung ating mga water management interventions, yung mga main at saka lateral canals na ating
No, that's not a real
sigurado na
Wait,
maayos itong mga
is it a
sistema
real?
na ito.
Is it a real
Para
spell?
pag dumating yung La Niña,
No, it's not a real spell. Bippity boppity boo. Okay. See, I know what that is. It lights candles. Don't even have to like say anything. Just yeah, that's which it's not a real spell. Or is it? That's just what the internet told me.
What is this? Are you over there?
Email as of 6:44 p.m. Sinimula ng halugugin ng mga otoridad sa Fuego Hubs.
What? Hey, lady. So what if he's a wizard? Like, okay, I know this is a joke, but like, what's wrong? My dream house.
Presidential Anti-Organized Crime Commission o PAO, PNP Special Action Force, PNP CIDG at iba pang local authorities. Ito yung
Gryffindor house.
dahil dito raw may
Show off.
narinig na babaeng sumis
Slytherin. I want Slytherin. I want that. Give me that. Oh, it's not that bad. Ooh, Slytherin locket.
Since Hogwarts likes
Wait, I'm sorry. I'm like I'm not.
Oy, huwag na kayong maglakad-lab kung muulan. Mag-book na kayo dyan. Huwag na maglakad kung muulan. Mag-book na kayo dyan.
Dark arts.
Basta kailangan yung
Okay, it kind of looks creepy. Ooh, Iron Belly's dragon. Ravenclaw. I also like Ravenclaw. Ravenclaw diagram. Golden snitch.
Since Hogwarts Legacy just came out, I figured I would
Oh yeah. So by the way, I forgot to tell you. Yes. I'm at Hogwarts and yeah, most of the parts. Okay, but wait.
Kakanan yan eh, kung sakasakali eh, palabas ng EDSA.
Oh, okay, this is for another video, so I know a lot of
Pero
you.
may
Wait,
nag-accept na wala pa.
what? I know a lot of you are gonna be like, please show me it. I want to see it. That's for another video.
Magkano?
This will never get famous anyway, so
Oo, malapit na kasi super lucky.
why am I
Since
saying
Hogwarts
that?
Legacy just came out, I figured I would show you. I have every Harry Potter character wand that's. Since Hogwarts Legacy just came out, I figured I would show you guys more spells I learned on my Harry Potter caster wand. So my caster wand is basically a real wand if you know how to do the spells. And I just learned Expelliarmus. So let's try it.
Expelliarmus.
God, it's dark in here.
What about Abracadabra?
I had a lot of you guys ask me to say gibberish for a spell to see what it does, so let's try that first.
Gibberish.
Bippity boppity boo. No. Okay, let's try Expelliarmus. Expelliarmus. That worked pretty good. Alohomora. There we go. What spell should I try now?
What? Wait, how is that
Character
possible?
wand that's made to this day. For the Harry Potter wand sets, we have the Dumbledore's Army, the Marauders map, he who must not be named, the Death
Oh.
Eater wand set, Bellatrix Lestrange's wand, the Triwizard Tournament wand set, Dolores Umbridge's wand, Lucius Malfoy's wand, Weasley twins wand, and rest in peace, we have Hagrid's wand. Good for the singles, we have wands like Percy Weasley, we have Professor Sprout, we have Professor Horace Slughorn, we have Professor McGonagall, we have the Elder Wand, we have every single Harry Potter
Oh yeah, sorry, I forgot.
character wand. We even have some of the mystery wand sets. We have some of the house wand sets. We're setting up
Wow.
Fantastic Beast wand sets. We have special edition ones and all the boxes they came. If you want to see me unbox each and every one of these wands, look for the playlist wand unboxing.
Ew. Paper dragon. Ugh. I hate paper dragons.
I got the Harry Potter Magic Cast.
Choose it.
Expensive, but this was the
Look.
I bought a wand for my girlfriend, and she told me to return it.
Why?
Why?
She said it's not working.
Can it shoot fire?
Yes,
Is the USB charger working?
yes,
Then what's the problem?
it doesn't vibrate.
This is not that kind of product.
I bought a wand for my girlfriend, and she...
Sigaw at
Huh?
sa banyagang wika. Sa ngayon, ang nakita ay mga kwartong nagsilbing barracks.
Oh, yeah.
May mga
Don't
kama,
worry.
appliances,
You are
damit,
not-
at mga pinagkainan. Matatanda ang dalawa ng Chinese nationals ang na-rescue ko. Ang isa, nakatali sa bed frame at puno ng pasa. Isa naman ay narinig na tumatawag mula sa bintana.
Wait, I don't get it.
No signs pa raw ng babae.
Wait, so like,
Matatanda
so are you shaming the zodiac signs, or are you that's what the zodiac sign? I don't get it, but wait, don't you think you are so special? Oh yeah, don't you worry. So, wait, let's check the comments. Okay, I like Capricorn because my bestie is a Capricorn.
Maraming salamat, Darlene Kai.
There's so many Capricorn. There's so many Capricorn. There's so many Capricorn.
Pag sinabing asin, automatic, maalat.
If no guy wants
sa binidevelop ng
you,
DOST,
that's
no flavored salts and seasoning.
no, cause in school I have
Lasa, submission. Bigyan
so like,
industriya ng asin. Tara, let's change the game.
wait, but why is there so much Capricorn? I don't get it. This isn't even okay. So like, there's too much. We can't watch the videos. It's too long. Yeah.
Ang asin.
So I guess that's it. Okay, let's just one
Big energy
more.
tayo with this innovation.
Is this
Ang condition ng nating asin. Dito sa Pilipinas,
Ooh.
90s.
Notice this about Malfoy's wife in Harry Potter? Draco Malfoy, his wife, and his son can be seen briefly in the ending sequence during the 19 years later scene. Interestingly enough, it would turn out that there's a special story behind Malfoy's wife in this scene. Tom Felton's real-life girlfriend at the time, Jade Olivia, played the part of Astoria Greengrass in the movie Harry Potter and the Deathly Hallows Part 2. During the Harry Potter series, Olivia worked as a stunt assistant and began dating Felton sometime before the last film was released. Did you notice this about Malfoy?
Okay, that's an.
5 actually real Harry Potter gadgets, starting with the invisibility whip. That is not Bridget, so I think
Okay, look, like that's a green screen. That's a green screen, so we all know it's fake. It's fake. It's fake.
I'm jealous of how wizards can just wave their wand at something and then work.
No, that's not how it works. You have to come on, that's not how it works.
I finally got myself my own automatic cold mix that's pour our drink in. Wizards drink tea, right? It's actually really vigorous. I finally have something that will make Harry Potter jealous. The golden
Huh?
They've even got that
Oh.
fluttering flying sound nailed down. Half the power. Look at it go.
No,
Oh no.
no.
There's actually a piece of string attached to the back of my ear. It's using a really strong, thin aramid fiber to give the illusion of it flying. This one looks like a potion. Oh, it's a lamp. Hey, at least it changes colour. What happens if I...
Tulungan ka natin sa
But we could not make a Harry Potter video without a wand, but it does. Oh, so you shake it and it illuminates the tin. Shake it again and it turns itself on.
No.
Lumos.
Okay, so
with salts.
Yeah, but simple.
I should stop scrolling so I can know. Okay, I'm sorry to the Harry Potter fans. Okay, bye bye. Bye bye. Have a good day. This video is never gonna get famous. Bye. Why did I make this?
Who are you talking to?